Leave the Pennsylvania station about 3:45. Read a magazine and then you're in Baltimore.
Dinner in the diner, nothing could be finer than to have your ham and eggs in Carolina.
When you hear the whistle blowing 8 to the bar, then you know.
In this video is me and my mother were going to go shopping. We went to milepost 195 on the way, saw a Norfolk Southern manifest blow east very quickly, maybe about 55. So, got on the highway and started chasing it to Springfield. When we got into Springfield, we attempted to cut it off and get a catch of it, but it was going too fast for us, and the traffic didn't really help. So, we ended up chasing it out into the country, all the way to about London, Ohio, about halfway between Dayton and Columbus. And well, we pulled out onto a country road and caught a pretty good sunset shot. So, enjoy the clip you're about to see. Hello people, Stain District Ralph from the Productions here. We are somewhere near London, Ohio, about milepost 150. Got a Norfolk Southern manifest coming eastbound on the Dayton District. Here we go.